Tom Orr, a name synonymous with rugged resilience and the untamed wilderness of Montana, rose to fame as one of the central figures on the History Channel's hit show Mountain Men. For years, viewers have watched him and his wife, Nancy, live off the grid, crafting a life that harkens back to a bygone era of frontier living. Tom's quiet strength, resourcefulness, and deep connection to nature have made him a beloved figure, admired by fans for his unwavering dedication to a lifestyle that many would find unthinkable. However, behind the scenes of this seemingly idyllic life, Tom Orr has faced profound personal tragedies that have tested his endurance in ways that even the harsh wilderness could not. As Tom approached his 80th year, a sudden health crisis shook the foundation of the life he had built with Nancy. In Season 11, Episode 4 of Mountain Men, titled Heart and Soul, viewers were given an intimate glimpse into a side of Tom they had never seen before. One night, Tom awoke gasping for breath, a terrifying experience that prompted Nancy to insist on seeking medical help. Tom, who had always been remarkably healthy, agreed, a decision that in itself was alarming to those who know his fiercely independent nature. Medical tests revealed that Tom's heart was not functioning properly, and fluid had begun to accumulate in his lungs, a dangerous combination that required immediate intervention. To manage his condition, Tom was prescribed medication to strengthen his heart and was instructed to wear a heart rate monitor to track his health. Given the Orr's remote location 80 miles from the nearest health clinic, his doctors also recommended that he wear a defibrillator vest, a precautionary measure in case of a sudden cardiac event. This health scare marked a significant turning point for Tom, forcing him to confront the realities of aging and the fragility of life, even for someone as tough and seasoned as himself. Yet, this was not the first time Tom had faced a devastating challenge. In 2015, the Orr family was struck by an unimaginable loss when Tom's daughter, Keely Orr, passed away at the age of 49. Keely, who had been living in St. Petersburg, Florida, had battled a prolonged illness, the details of which Tom has kept largely private. Keely's death was a profound blow to Tom and Nancy, who had always been close to their children despite the physical distance that separated them. Keely's passing left a void that could never be filled, a heartache that lingered even as Tom continued to push forward with his life in Montana. Keely was more than just Tom's daughter. She was a successful professional in medical sales and a woman of deep Christian faith. Her passing was deeply mourned by her family, including her brothers, Chad Orr and Matt Fraser, her grandmother, Mary Jane Crellin, and her beloved niece, nephew, and dog, who were all part of her close-knit circle. The grief that Tom and his family endured is a testament to the profound love they shared, even as they remained scattered across different parts of the country. Tom Orr's life, while filled with the beauty and freedom of the wilderness, has also been marked by significant sorrow and hardship. His health challenges and the devastating loss of his daughter have tested his strength in ways that no amount of survival skills could prepare him for. Yet, through it all, Tom remains a symbol of resilience, a man who continues to live life on his terms, cherishing the time he has left and the simple joys that his rugged lifestyle brings. For viewers of Mountain Men, Tom Orr's story is not just about surviving in the wild, it's about surviving the trials of life itself.